Frustrated with your current technologies? Dairy Performance Network can help. With our approach of connecting people, cows, and technology, we are a DairyComp's first service. We take advantage of the technology you have on your farm to advance your return. Our data analytic tools allow you to explore your data in ways you have not before. Our artificial intelligence tools alert you when you have an issue. DPN was built on the promise to find deficiencies on farm to make your dairy farm more profitable. We offer on-farm consulting, remote support for various technologies, monitoring of technologies. We offer one-on-one training, management training, on-farm consulting, data audits and analysis, and farm strategies to improve processes. Contact us today to learn how DPN has revolutionized technology on dairies. Visit our website to see testimonials. Call us now at 806-639-5166.